everyone, Cassandra Lazenby here at the San Antonio Auto and Truck Show. Now, we're gonna take you behind the scenes. There's a little something for everyone here at the show. So who's the best driver out of this group?
They said, we want to do a tribute to first responders.
Let's snap this, let's Snapchat this. Oh yeah. Use your blinker, guys. Whoa! Yeah! How much horsepower does one need?
Well over 2,000 horsepower.
You gotta check it out. It is a rust-wrapped vehicle. What kind of car is that?
The Chevy Spark.
Are you Sparky? I have a need for speed. Oh my gosh! Sir. Sir, the show's over. Yeah, the show's over. I think you gotta get out of that chair.